How to cancel your Air Arabia booking. Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can cancel your Air Arabia booking. Alright, to do that is simple. The first step is open your web browser, and in the search box type Air Arabia cancellation. Alright, cancellation page. Okay, so click enter, and then you can be brought to the page. Now, amongst the blocks that will be displayed to you, ensure you select the cancel flight option sent by or written by Air Arabia, and then you'll be brought to the manage booking cancel flights page. Now, if you don't want to go through this process, you can just log in into your Air Arabia page, then click on manage booking, and then you'll be taken to the page where you see details about your flight. So on that page, you can just easily click on cancel flights and then be brought to this page again. Okay, so those are the two ways. I hope that is clear. And then you can see the write up. If you wish to cancel your flights, the balance will be credited back to you towards a future use and within a year of your original booking. The cancellation will be subject to a cancellation fee. So take note of that. So you can cancel online through the form below, or you can contact the customer center, or you can visit the sales offices around. So this is the form that you have to fill. And to fill the form, you have to enter in the reservation number of your flight that was sent to you after you booked a flight on Air Arabia to your email. Okay, a reservation number would have been sent to your email. So just go to your email, check out the number, copy it, paste it here. Then enter in the contact person's last name. All right, the person that made the payment. Then select your departure date as well. All right, the day that you've intended to departure, and click on continue. Before then, ensure you verify that you are not a robot. Then move to the right side, click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you can now further complete the departure process. Just follow the instructions and all of that, and then your flights will be cancelled. But if you do not want to go through this process, you can just contact their support by calling the call center or by visiting the sales offices around. So this is it, okay? In case you are wondering how you can cancel your flights, just follow these procedures and you're good to go. Thank you and have a good day.